In this video, we will discuss the syllabus of UPSC CSE Mains English Literature Paper 1. Hello everyone, my name is Samina. Welcome back to our new video. I am good and I hope you are also doing well. In this video, we will discuss the syllabus of UPSC CSE Mains English Literature Paper 1. Okay, here are the information. Let's have a look. English literature consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2 in UPSC mains. Each paper is of 250 marks. Each paper is for 250 marks and a total marks of 500. Okay. Candidate will also be required to show adequate knowledge of the following topics and moments: the Renaissance, Elizabethan and Jacobean drama, metaphysical poetry, then the epic and the mock epic, neoclassicism and satire, the romantic moment, the rise of the novel, the Victorian age adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Paper 1 has divided into two sections, section A and section B, in which you have to learn William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is very known poet, actor and dramatist. You have to read the King Lear and the Tempest. The other poet, John Donne, you have to read the following poems: Canonization, Death Be Not Proud, The Good Morrow, On His Mistress Going to Bed, The Realize. Then John Milton. John Milton is a very famous poet. He wrote Paradise Lost. Okay, Paradise Lost having 10 books. You have to read booklet 1, booklet 2, booklet 4 and booklet 9. Then Alexander Pope, you have to read The Rape of the Lock. Then Alfred Tennyson, he is the poet of Victorian age, in which you have to read The Memorian. Then Henrik Ibsen, he is the father of realism. You have to study Idol's House. Then come on the other poet, William Wordsworth. He is the poet. He is known for romantic poet. He is famous for his lyrical ballads. You have to read the following poems: Ode on Intimation of Immorality, Tinton Abbey, 3 years she grieved, she developed among untrodden ways, Michael, Resolution and Independence, The World is Too Much with Us, Milton, Thou Shouldn't Be Living at This Hour, Upon Westminster Bridge. Then come on the section B, in which you have to read the very famous novel. First, Jonathan Swift. You have to study Gulliver Travel. It's a very famous novel on real story. The John Aston. You have to read Pride and Prejudice. Then Henry Fielding. You have to read Tom Jones. Okay. Then come on Charles Dickens. You have to read Hard Times. Then come on George Eliot. You have to read The Million, The Flaws. Thomas Hardy. You have to read Tales of the Arbor Wills. Then Mark Twain, The Adventures, Huckleberry Finn. Okay. Okay guys, it is the syllabus of English Literature paper 1. In the next video, we will discuss the syllabus of paper 2. Okay, in the last, I want to say only stay motivated, stay focused. Okay, all the best. Thank you so much. Happy journey.